Mike, why is it you think that Father Timothy asked you to help me?
I owed Tim a lot of favors. You know, I was not the greatest kid. I always had this kind of temper, and I used to beat up on the other kids. He straightened me out. In fact, you know, I owe him a lot. If it wasn't for him, I'd be in some jail somewhere.
But don't you think it's strange that we both just kind of showed up at St. Audrey's?
No, it's strange. It's just one of those things, you know? It's coincidence.
I wonder.
You wonder what?
I wonder how the Potato Prince would feel about us walking together around a moonlit lake.
Oh, I'm sure he's a very understanding guy.
Then again, maybe there is no Potato Prince.
Maybe not.
Sprinkling.
Ah, that's nothing. Hey, do you think you remember how to dance?
I don't know.
Well, I think we should go up to my roof and find out.
Your roof?
Yeah, it's a terrific view there. It's where I take all the women I date with no memory.
It's gonna rain.
It never rains in L.A.
Get in. It's gonna rain. We'll ruin it.
It's already ruined.
This is exactly what happened with Roman and Margaret.
I'm not Roman.